Yes, okay, palakpakan naman natin si Jolly. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday. Ang ibigin natin yung happy birthday, 3, 2, 1. Go, Jolly! Jolly birthday! Other Jolly friends, go friends! Jolly birthday! This is birthday! Jolly birthday! Yes! Alright, happy birthday, Cici! At this moment, mommy, close your eyes and make a wish. Yes, kapag ready na namin, you can blow the candle, alright? Yay! Yes, palakpakan naman natin si Cici. You're now officially one year old. Okay, sabay-sabay natin yung malakas na happy birthday si Cici and 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Cici! Yay!